friends, welcome back to Eat Indian channel, sharing with you one of my food prep tricks that I do usually on the weekends, which makes weekday lunches really easy. Or whenever I'm on the go, I grab one of these wraps. You can also make these wraps in advance. You can pair it with chutney of your choice. So let's get going. In a bowl, I add 1 cup each of black beans and red kidney beans. Soak them in water for at least an hour. Overnight is even better. When you're ready to cook, you will notice that they have puffed up. You can see they have increased in size. Now I'm going to discard the water and will transfer the beans in a pressure cooker, because pressure cooker cooks it really fast, adding water just so that they can boil. You don't want to add too much water. Adding salt should be as per your taste, depending on quantity you're cooking. You want some heat, add some chili powder. I really like adding taco seasoning because that makes the wrap taste really good. So 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning gives it a nice Mexican flair. Just mix all these spices and cover the pan, let it cook after 2 to 3 whistles. And once the pressure cooker has cooled down, you can open and you will see that the beans are nice and soft. Now they can be used in salads or they can be used as a stuffing for our wraps. So for the stuffing, I heat a little bit of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add in some cumin seeds. Good for digestion, lend a nice flavor to our wraps. And then we'll add in some chopped onions. Nice bite through these onions. We are just going to saute them lightly. Along with them, we will add in some garlic. You can use chopped garlic. You can use garlic paste. About a tablespoon. Mix this thoroughly. And then you can use any vegetables of your choice. I find that mushrooms and red peppers are really good in these kinds of wraps. Sometimes I'll add spinach. So adding salt in should be as per your taste so that onions cook quickly. Adding some red peppers. They give nice bite. They stay well in the wraps. You can make these wraps in bulk and even freeze them. If you're going to eat them in next few days, they remain well in the fridge too. Now I'm adding the beans in, trying to avoid any extra water. The leftover water, you can use it in your drinks. You can use it in soups or in curries. Mixing the beans in. Now we will just finish off because beans are already cooked. Once onions are soft and red peppers are done, you just add beans, add in some green onions, some cilantro for flavor, and then check the seasoning. You can add more spice if you would like. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. We'll let the mixture cool down before we put it in the wraps. Now the wraps I use, so I'm just adding black pepper here for a little bit more heat, but you can always enjoy the wraps with some sauce of your choice. Here I have these ancient grained 100% whole grain tortillas. They are really good. You can get a big pack from Costco at a really good price. And then just add in the beans. If you eat cheese, you can use cheese in here as well. If you want to keep it vegan, then this is a wonderful idea. Just put them in, wrap them. And then we'll just put a sarong wrap or a plastic wrap around them. Keep them in the fridge, or you can put them in the freezer. When you're ready to eat them, you can just microwave them and put them in the toaster oven if they are frozen. And that's it. Plastic wrap works really well. Avoids freezer burn. And they're perfect. You can take them on the go. Sometimes I like to make some cilantro chutney or mango chutney and enjoy these wraps with that. I hope you like this food prep idea. Give it a try in your own kitchen.